An Adventure in a Great Wide Somewhere by Emma Trusty. In a small cottage on the outskirts of a small town in France, there lived a young girl and her father. They were outcasts. They didn't fit in anywhere they lived. They fit in even less so in this little town. But the daughter begged her father to stay for a while and give the town a try. So the girl and her father settled down and stayed for many years. The girl loved to play outside in the grass fields behind their house, and that is where she spent her time when she was not inside with her nose in a book. She wasn't so different from the rest of the little girls in town. She was tall for her age, for she was only 15 years old, and she was over 5.5 feet tall. The rest of the girls were close to 5 feet. She had brown hair, not uncommon in her little town, but her eyes were a dark hazel brown color, whereas every other girl had green or blue eyes. One day in April, the girl was sitting outside in her favorite chair reading her favorite book, one her mother had often read to her when she was a child. She cherished this book more than anything she possessed. While she was out reading, she heard the sounds of a cat. It sounded like it was stuck. She put her book down and went to go look for the cat. She didn't have to go far before she saw the cat. It wasn't stuck. It looked like it needed water. She picked it up and took it into the house. She set it in front of the oven, for it was still warm from baking she had done earlier. She grabbed a bowl and filled it with some water from the well outside. When the cat had finished the water, she put some milk in a bowl and put some cooked beef onto a plate for the kitten. It ate it up so fast that before she could open the door, the cat was behind her, meowing at her, indicating it wanted more. The girl put more meat on the plate and milk in the bowl, and went outside to grab her book. When she returned inside, the cat was nowhere to be found. She went immediately to her bed and found it there, curled up fast asleep. She let it sleep and decided she was going to keep the cat. She named it Lily. Lily followed her everywhere she went, no matter what the weather was. They became best friends. The girl never had any friends other than the cat, but she was just fine with that. As long as she had her mother's book, her father, and Lily, the girl would be the happiest girl around.